Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon of MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I want to walk you through a 250 Harris cruiser. We'll start in the very front. You see your stadium seats here for couches. You're going to have your cup holders with charging ports on either side, port and starboard. You see you have your in-floor storage here on this boat. We'll move over here to the dash. You're going to see a wireless charger, more charging ports here for your phone, without a device. You have a Go5 Simrad built-in GPS depth finder. You have a JL audio control head, tilt steering wheel, easy to operate labeled switches. In this particular boat, you're going to have a digital throttle and shift, two captain's chairs here, port to starboard. And we'll rotate to the back. In the back here, you're going to have two other sets of couches. This is called a center walk-through dual helm configuration. More cup holders, more charging ports. And in the very back here, you're going to see for power, we have a 200 horsepower Mercury outboard engine, a towing port, as well as a ladder off to the starboard side. This boat is also equipped with a 12-foot bimini top. If you're interested in seeing this boat in person, stop by MarineMax Lake Norman and take a look at it.